Mga bay, kadyot lang yun. Maminaw sa tabahin sa doktrina ni Maria. Nganong si Mary? Have you ever wondered why Mary? Bakit si Maria ang pinili ng Diyos? Isn't it amazing how a simple woman from Nazareth became the mother of God, Theotokos? And yet, she remained silent, humble and obedient. Let's dive into a mystery that continues to challenge and inspire every believer. A powerful yet quiet presence of Mary in God's plan. Mga bay, unsa magyud ang iyang karakter sa storya sa salvation. Mga bay, Mary's yes to God's impossible mission. Be it done to me according to your word. Isang tugon na puno ng pananampalataya at pagtitiwala. Bisag lisod sabton, yes na lang ng yes. So unsay doktrina nagpalayo ani? The doctrine of Immaculate Conception. Many people misunderstood this. It's not about Jesus conceived without sin. It's about Mary. From the moment of her conception, Mary was preserved from all stain of original sin. Why? Because Mary mahimo gyud siyang inahan sa Dios. Siya ang arka sa kasabutan. Another doctrine mga bay. Mary as the mother of the church. She is not just the mother at the foot of the cross. Jesus said to John, "Behold your mother." And through John, he gave Mary to all of us. She intercedes, guides, protects, and prays. Just like any loving mother would. Mga bay, itong tanong ko sa iyo, are we like Mary? Handang tumugon sa tawag ng Diyos kahit hindi natin naiintindihan ang lahat? When faced with uncertainty, can we respond with "let it be done"? Mga bay, Mary's life shows us the strength in surrender, trusting even when we can't see, and the holiness starts within a bold yes. Mga bay, in this noisy world, Mary teaches us the power of silence. In our doubts, she shows us faith. Our struggles reminds us that there's grace. Let's honor Mary, imitate her. Mary, we learn to love Jesus more. To Jesus, through Mary, they say, and indeed there's no faster or surer path. If you like this kind of video about catechesis, about Mary, please follow and subscribe. God bless. This is Father Rod, Eyes of Bingan.